Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Pinterest and Etsy are a perfect match. Pinterest users are dreamers and planners, and Etsy sellers have the products to make those dreams real. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and learn about how to share your Etsy products on Pinterest. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, create a business account. Convert basically your personal account to a business account. It's free and unlocks analytics, advertising tools, and product pins that show prices and availability directly. So you can also use product pins. Product pins sync your Etsy listings directly to Pinterest. They display real-time pricing, stock status, and a direct link to your Etsy listing, shortening the path from discovery to purchase. You can also optimize your pin images. Your listing photos determine whether a pin succeeds or fails. So what works? A clear, well-lit, easy to understand image, a vertical format usually. Show products in context on a table, in a room, or being used. If your Etsy photos don't work as pins, you can take new ones. Then write for search. Visual get attention, but text drives discovery. Use descriptive pin title with keywords users actually search for. Write descriptions that support the image with context. And keep the language natural, don't stuff keywords, but include them. That's the main idea, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.